Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Lahat na ng information nandun. You don't have to message me, okay? Or you can directly book sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Pisces, let's see. Next 30 days, blessings for Pisces. Oh, whoa. Merong losses dito, guys. Pag naisip mo, bakit siya blessing? Kasi para siyang sa inyo, blessing in disguise, okay? There's a release. You have to release, you have to let go of something that is no longer serving you. Kasi pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, itong energy na to is causing you stress, no? Na nagsistress ka lang or parang may conflict. Yung parang hindi ka mapakali. Ganon. So, you have to let that go na. This can be a relationship with someone, connection with someone, or yung mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa'yo kasi you're still holding on to it. Can be anything, okay? You have the 9 of Cups. After that, you will experience happiness, joy, optimism. So, kumbaga, magiging challenging muna sa inyo to bago nyo ma-experience yung blessing na yan. And yung blessing na to is pangmatagalan, happiness, joy, vitality. So, mas magiging positibo yung pananaw nyo. Kasi minsan, di ba, mapapansin nyo, merong mga sitwasyon sa buhay mo, can be connection, situation, people around you, na they are the ones na sila yung parang contributor ng problema mo, ng stress mo. And may mga instances na kailangan nilang mawala sa buhay mo para mas gumaan yung pakiramdam mo at mas maging maganda yung daloy ng blessings sa'yo. Also, the 8 of Pentacles, this is about achievement, no? So, meron ka ma-achieve, oh. This is working hard. This is focusing on your goals. Hindi ka na distracted ngayon. Kasi kung dati, lagi mo iniisip yung problema, lagi mo iniisip yung mga nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo. And since you are letting that go and maalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan, you're now finally focused on your dreams, your goals. Hindi ka na distracted. At mas mangangarap ka ulit ngayon, mas mabubuo yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. Merong mga options available sa'yo. Yun nga lang, maging maingat rin. It may cause some confusion kung alin yung ipupurso mo. So, lalo na if you are watching this during the Mercury retrograde, pwede kasing sa una parang magkamali ka ng decision mo. So, pag-isipan mo munang maigi. With the 3 of Pentacles, there is something na meron kang pipiliin na passion mo that is going to be part of your growth. Can be spiritually, physically, emotionally, mentally, financially. Ayan. So, this can be, yung iba sa inyo, finally, ipupursue na yung mga pangarap nyo sa buhay, magpo-focus na kayo sa sarili nyo. The connection to divine guidance is within you. You are divinely guided. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Ayan, magiging masaya ka na daw. Ayan. At may peace of mind. Dahil, wala na yung nagpapalungkot sa'yo or nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress, mga bagay na nagbibigay sa'yo ng alalahanin. Yan, you are being gifted with those kinds of blessings. And rest assured, man tong sa una na medyo challenging na pagdadaanan mo, after naman yan, things are going to be better than ever. Ayan, ang ganda, Enchanted. Parang yung kanta ni Taylor Swift. I was enchanted to meet you. So, Enchanted, ibig sabihin yan is, parang maraming mysteries na mangyayari in a way na parang nakakamangha. Parang ganon. Oo, na merong sense of realization na, kaya pala to nangyari. Kaya ko pala kailangang pagdaanan yun kasi merong mga magagandang bagay na mangyayari pa moving forward. So, just trust the process. Okay? So, that is your reading. Pisces, thank you so much. See you again.